Hey guys, day number 2. Heading to Richa right now. We're gonna get her ready for her Mehndi party. She already had her Mehndi done yesterday, you saw. That was day 1. But day 2, we're gonna get her glammed up because she's gonna go greet her guests and see everybody. While they get Mehndi done, she's gonna be hanging out. And the cool thing is, the name of the party is called the Mehndi and Mezcal party. This mask looks a little ridiculous on my neck, but it's okay. All right, here we go.
Okay guys, so we are going to free this woman of her Mehndi. She was bandaged up like a mummy for an eternity. So here we go. This is actually like oddly, I like doing this. It's oddly satisfying. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
It doesn't go that far. You would think this would be more fun to take off.
Oh my god. Okay, well
It's
maybe not.
so sticky.
Oh my gosh, poor girl. Okay, I got you though. Look.
Very cute. You did a great job.
Thank you.
Is that what's happening?
Who's everybody?
Raju uncle, Karuna auntie. Mom has been tying Rocky and Raju uncle for what? 30 plus years now.
Ready? Starting day 1 at the Mehndi.
We're gonna actually put this on YouTube, so if you want to hear about this story, you're gonna have to go on our YouTube channel. All right? So Marcus told me yesterday that you were afraid of her doing your makeup.
Not at all. No, I was not. I was not. I was.
Were you a little afraid?
No. I'll tell you. No.
Just a little bit.
No. I'll tell you why. I did have one bad experience one time where they put so much eye makeup on my eye where like they made my under eye look white, and it was one interview. Really,
Yeah.
it just
And you
looked-
didn't realize it, right?
But then I saw it and I was
Yeah.
like, oh god, it's awful.
Yeah.
It looked like, you know.
I was hurt.
Yeah.
I was hurt.
I didn't mean to offend you, but just like a fair warning I gave everyone because I had one bad experience. But it was great. Everyone thought my skin looked great yesterday, so cheers.
Alright, your hair just grows all this out of nowhere. You just have a bunch of hair.
seriously.
warm weather. That makes your hair grow.
I got some gold for the future day.
Yay!
Alright guys, you ready for the big reveal? Here is our beautiful bride.
Number 2.
What do you think?
I love it. This is exactly what I wanted.
Alright, this is awesome.
Beachy boho.
Yes, I love it. And your hair too. We have to
it.
show the hair. Let's go to the back. There we go. Hi. Okay, one more time.
What do you want her to do?
Loosen our hips up.
Yeah.
Bag.
I have her losing those hips in you too.
I love how these guys are so like into participating in every single thing, which is awesome. It makes it so easy. Hi, Auntie. How fabulous do you feel, darling? I love it. I love it.
You know, I have not put on the butter yet, so sometimes I don't want to butter.
You don't need it. I don't think you need it.
You don't need to do
I don't think you need it. No, no, I don't think you need it.
You don't need to do that. When it starts falling here, just push it down.
Yeah, Yeah, I don't think you need it. No, it looks good.
If I don't put anything, it looks bad.
No, it looks good. It looks good. Yeah. No, it's good. No. ठीक है. It looks good. There you go. Bye.